Namaste everyone. Welcome back to CodeCraft with Poonam. I'm your coding mentor Poonam Agrawal. In this video, we are going to set up our Java development environment. So before getting into it, I would like to give you a simple example. So to cook a delicious recipe, what do you need? You need required utensils. First of all, you need gas stove, gas connections, required utensils, and the ingredients. Right. Similarly, to write and run your Java program, you need to have your Java development environment set. In this video, I am going to teach you step-by-step installation, IDs, path configuration, IDs setup to write and run your Java program. Okay, so let's begin. For that, to set up a Java development environment, first you need to have a JDK. Okay, first we need to download the JDK. Okay, here you can see www.oracle.com. From here we are going to download our JDK. So while making this video, the latest version of JDK is Java Platform Standard Edition 24. Okay, so but I'm here going to download and install this Java Platform SC17. Why? Because this is an already a stable. That's why. So before getting into it, I would like to just give you an overview. What is JDK? JDK is nothing but it is a Java development kit, which includes JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and the development tools. So JDK consists of JVM, JRE, and development tools. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. So as I am using Windows, I am going to click on this Windows tab. But if you are using Linux or Mac, then you can use this Linux tab or Mac OS tab. Okay. So I'm going to click on this Windows. Here we need to download this x64 installer. This is executable file. Click on this, tick the box, and download. So this will redirect to a Oracle page. Here you need to sign in using your mail, username or email. If you already have an account with Oracle, then you can directly log in. Okay. If you don't have, then you need to create an account and then you can log in with the credentials. So to save the time, I have already downloaded. Now we are going to double click on this, and this asks us whether to make the changes to this device, and we need to click yes. And then you will get this window where you need to check that whether you are installing a correct version or not. So Java SE Development Kit 17.0.12. Okay. Now you need to click on next. So here this is the default folder. Okay, this is getting installed in the C drive with the name program files folder. Okay, then if you want to change the drive or folders, then you can go and click on this and you can change the settings. But I'm installing it in C drive. So then next installation starts. It takes some time. See here, it is successfully installed. Now you need to close. So now to cook a delicious meal, what you need to have gas stove and gas connection, right? Your gas stove is prepared by downloading and installing JDK. But now you need a gas connection, right? For that, to write and run your Java program, you need to set the path. Okay. Now we are going to configure the path. So here I'm going to search for the environment, edit, system environment. See, when you go and type your edit, you got this edit the system environment variables, which is in the control panel. You need to click on this. Here you will see this system properties. Here you need to go to the environment variables. So here we have two variables, that is two types of variables, user variable and system variable. So user variable is only particular to a user, whereas system variable is for all the users. Okay, so we are going to set the path here. Go and find the path. See here is the path. Okay, so here you need to add the path. So for that we need to copy the path where it is installed. So I'll close this one. So now we are going to the C drive and program files, as I have installed in C drive in the program files. Here we need to look for the Java. Here it is, Java folder. This go to the JDK 17, and then here you see we have a bin configuration file, library files, all this. That means your JDK is installed properly. So now click on the bin. Now you need to copy this path. Okay, copy and paste. You need to paste it in the system variables. Here, going to the system properties, environment variables. In system variables, go to the path. Here you need to click on this, paste it here. Okay, you need to give home. Java home. Okay, variable value we give Java home. Okay, now okay, now let's check. Go to the command prompt and then type Java version. Now you can see Java SC runtime environment. You can see here Java version 17.0.12 runtime environment. Okay, that is done. Now we are going to install the Visual Studio to write and run your program. Visual Studio is nothing but the IDE. Okay. So now you need to go to Google it, this Visual Studio. Visual Studio code download here. So now you need to download this from the code.visualstudio.com. Click on this. So as I am using Windows, I am going to click on this Windows. Okay. So it shows the message, thanks for downloading VS Code. So here VS Code is getting downloaded. This one. So, but as I have already downloaded it and installed it into my system, so that's why I'm canceling. To save the time, I have re-downloaded and installed it. So now you need to go to the you need to download and install the app, and then so now this is the home page of Visual Studio. Now you need to click on this extensions, and then here you will have extension pack for Java. this, click on this and you need to install it. Okay, as I have already installed it, I'm not going to do it again. Okay, you need to install this pack. Then I have created here Java program folder in the desktop. So you just go and click on this. Here you have to click on the open folder and select the folder. Like I have created one in the desktop. Here it is, this one, Java programs. You need to click on that, select the folder. So now we are going to write our first program, that is hello world. For that, you need to create a new file. Okay. So going to the file, create a new file and enter the file name hello world.java. Okay. Hello dot, this will be saved in the folder which you have created in your desktop or wherever in your PC. Okay. So I have created a folder that is Java programs in the desktop. So this hello world.java will be saved in this folder. So great. So now here we are going to write our first Java program, that is hello world. So public class hello world. Okay. So this class name should be same as the file name. Okay. For example, why consider your masala box. Okay. So you went to purchase a biryani masala, but when you purchase and bring it home and you find that inside that box, instead of biryani masala, there is a chaat masala. Then what will happen to your biryani, right? So that's why name and the name should be same. Whatever ingredients is in the box, that should be same with your label name, right? Biryani masala means it should contains biryani masala only in that box. Similarly, in Java also, for a class, this class name should be same as the file name. So here public class hello world. Sorry, here typing mistake. If there is any mistake, then immediately there will be a red mark. That means it will not compile. So here. Now public class hello world. Now we are going to write a main method, public static void main string args. Okay, and then opening, and then simply printing out system.out. So sys, if you type, you will get it here, system.out.println, and here I am going to type hello world. Hello world. So I'll give you a simple example. Okay, what is this class? So consider a single room house. Okay, a house which is having a single room. That's single room house with a single entry. That is the main entry. Okay, main entry of the house. Similarly, consider this class as a single room house with a entry, main door. This is public static void main. This is the main door from where you enter the house. Similarly, Java looks for this main method, okay, from where the execution begins. So here we are making this class as public so that anyone can access it. Public class name, you need to open the braces and close the braces of a class, right? Whenever you open the door, you will close it, right? Similar way, opening and closing is mandatory. Similarly, opening and writing the method, main method, again you are opening the curly braces. You need to close this also. whatever you are opening, you need to close, right? Similar with the Java code. So here, public static void means string args, open, write the statements, whatever you want to print, and then close the method and then close the class. So when you write a statement, then you need to end it with a semicolon. Okay, that means this is end of this statement. Okay, so here public is access modifier, static. This will I will explain you in later videos. This is the void which returns nothing as because we are just printing here. That's why void. And this is the main string. This args. This also takes the input from the command lines also. And the system.out.println is the built-in printer. Okay. And whenever you are printing out a message, okay, then you need to put it within the double quotations. Okay. So now we are going to run this. Now you can see the output. Hello world. It got printed. So this is for the today's video. If you liked my teaching, then do hit the like button and comment and share it to us in your circle so that it will be helpful to others. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. I'm Poonam Agrawal from CodeCraft with Poonam signing off.